In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WordPress for free, providing you with the 2025 guide to do so effortlessly. WordPress is a powerful content management system that allows you to create stunning websites with ease. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in and make sure you have WordPress ready to go in no time. The first step is visiting the official WordPress site to download the software. Open your web browser and go to wordpress.org/download. This page is where you'll find the latest version of WordPress available for free download. The website is frequently updated, ensuring you get the most secure and current version. Once you're on the page, look for the download button. It should be prominently displayed and labeled for easy access. Click the button to begin downloading a .zip file containing all the necessary WordPress files. This download shouldn't take too long depending on your internet speed. Once your download is complete, you'll need to locate the .zip file on your computer. By default, this is often in your downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. This file is compressed to save space and facilitate a faster download, but to install WordPress, you'll need to extract its contents. Unzipping files is a straightforward process. On most systems, all you need to do is right-click the file and select the option that says Extract Here or Extract All, depending on the tool you're using. If you're on a Mac, you can simply double-click the file to extract it. Once unzipped, you'll see a folder named WordPress. It contains all the essential files you'll need to install WordPress on your web server. At this point, you might be wondering about the next steps after unzipping. Typically, you would need to upload these files to your web server to start the installation process. For this, you'd use an FTP client like FileZilla or through your web hosting panel's file manager. Though this video focuses on downloading, many resources are available on setting up WordPress on your server, which usually involves creating a database and running the installation script. With WordPress successfully downloaded and unzipped, you're ready for the next stages of creating your website. Remember, while this guide gives you a solid start, there are plenty of plugins and themes to explore to further enhance and customize your site. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and it made the process clear and simple. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy website building!